Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you join the Trader Pro challenge and what it is. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know what is Trader Pro challenge and how to do it, you just simply have to open Bitget, and after opening the Bitget, you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that you will get this Trader Pro option into popular. Just simply select Trader Pro option, and after opening the Trader Pro section into your Bitget, you will get to see this page where it says Trader Pro upgrade, new funding boost up to 10,000 US dollar and meme coin challenge awaits. Now into this section you will get these two options at very first. First one is a start challenge and second one is win 500 USDT. Now you can scroll down furthermore and explore the trading accounts in here. First one is phase 1 challenge phase, where you will have the 10,000 amount balance and 20x max margins, and after that it is also mentioned that these are the requirements. Similarly, there is phase 2, and you can just simply tap to this start challenge option and you can start the challenge for Traders Pro. And after starting the challenge and completing it, you will get progress reward and you can claim the chance of winning 500 USDT in here. I hope you understand the Trader Pro. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.